Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is double series n equals to 1 to infinity, m equals to 1 to infinity, mn divided by m plus n double factorial. So friends, let's start to solve m plus n equals to k. Let m plus n equals to k. So friends, the problem is going to, so it can be written this way, that k equals to 2 to infinity and m plus n equals to k equals to infinity, mn divided by k double factorial. And after that, I can write this equation equals to summation k equals to 2 to infinity 1 by k double factorial equals to summation p equals to 1 to k minus 1 p into k minus p. Just changing. After that, it can be written summation k equals to 2 to infinity 1 by k factorial, and if I putting in here, so I get k square into k minus 1 divided by 2 minus k by 6 into k minus 1 into 2k minus 1. Because friends, you must remember note 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the plus k is equal to summation k equals to 1 to n k equals to k into k plus 1 divided by 2, and 1 square plus 2 square up to plus k square equals to summation k equals to 1 to n k square equals to k by 6 into k by 6 into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1. This is the formula. If in here it is k minus 1, in here you see that it is k minus 1. That's why I am just moving this. After that, I get summation k equals to 2 to infinity 1 by k double factorial k cube by 2 minus k cube by 3 minus k by 6. Okay, and it can be written summation k equals to 2 to infinity k cube divided by k factorial double factorial minus 1 by 6 summation k equals to 1 to infinity k divided by k double factorial. Must remember k double factorial means 2 into 1 into 3 into 5 up to 5 into 7 up to this 2k minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. So k double factorial. Now friends, I can write this equation. 2k now, sorry, it is k minus 1. So this omega can be written as 1 plus 5 by 3 summation k equals to 0 to infinity 1 by k double factorial. K equals to 1 to infinity, I think. Yeah, k equals to not 0. Okay, k equals to 0. Okay, k equals to 0, no problem. So friends, 5 by 3 now summation k equals to 0 to infinity 1 by k double factorial equals to summation k equals to 0 to infinity 1 by 2k double factorial plus 1 by 2k plus 1 double factorial. Now friends, we will show that how to solve this three portion. This portion is said to be S1, this portion said to be S2. Now let's check this solution. Now you see that this portion is said S1. So now I write k equals to 0 to infinity 2k minus 2, 2k minus 4 up to 4 into 2, and it can be written 2 to the power k divided by k factorial into root over e, and 2k is 2 is equal to k equals to 0 to infinity 1 by 2k plus 1 double factorial, and after that it can be written k equals to 0 to infinity, and this is the beta function. This function is called beta function. So friends, I get in here k plus 2 to the power k factorial, and after that beta function formula I use that beta m comma n is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x whole to the power n minus 1 dx. So I apply this formula. After that I get this formula. This formula will turns this formula. After that I get this formula, and after that 2x into 1 minus x can be written 2x minus 2x square. So 2x square and minus 1, and I just add minus 1 plus 1, and I can rearrange this way root 2 1 by root 2 whole square, because root 2 1 by root 2 whole square means it is 2x square plus 2x 2x square plus 2x plus, sorry, it is minus 2x plus 1 by 2. So I just minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. In here just minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. I can write this way. So after that I get root 2 e to the power minus x square is equal to root over 2 ep erf 1 by root 2. So s value I get, and s1 value and s2 value I get. So my omega value is 5 by 3 root over e pi divided by 2 erf 1 by root over 2 1 plus 5 root over e divided by 3. This is the value is omega. Thanks for watching.